Imagine wandering through a landscape where thousands of limestone pillars rise mysteriously from golden sands. This is the Pinnacles Desert. The surreal stone formations create a dreamlike scene, perfect for photography and exploration along winding desert trails. As the sun sets, the desert transforms, revealing a breathtaking canvas of stars overhead. Stargazers are treated to some of the clearest night skies, making it a haven for astronomy enthusiasts. Local wildlife, wildflowers in season, and nearby coastal towns add to the adventure, while fresh seafood and local flavors round out a truly unique journey.